There's two main ways to record a devlog. You either record everything, hours of footage, then you speed it all up into a time lapse, or you could capture just the important moments with small bits of B-roll sprinkled throughout. But what if you don't want to clog your drive with 10 hours of screen recordings, or you're in the middle of a game jam and you can barely think straight, let alone hit record? Well, that's where Git comes in. Recently, especially during my last game jam, I started using Git not just for version control, but as a way to build devlogs as I go. Git can mark every turning point in your game's development so you can show, not just tell. If you're not familiar with Git, at its simplest, it's a version control system. It lets you save a snapshot of your project, called a commit, and return to that version anytime, called checking out a commit. There's a lot more you can do with it, but for now, that's really all you need to know. Instead of stopping development to hit record or recording constantly, you can use Git to mark key moments in development. Every time you hit a key point in development, like right before overhauling your level design or right after fixing this abomination, you can simply just commit your changes and get back to development. Then later, once you're ready to record your video, you can check out commits in your Git history to create a great devlog with plenty of visuals. The key to using Git this way is writing good commit messages. A commit like fix some stuff is quick to write, but when you come back later to record, it's going to be impossible to figure out which commit had the new UI or when you messed around and accidentally deleted the whole project. Good commit messages are clear, specific, and unless it's oddly relevant, probably don't include the B-movie script. Seriously, why are there so many of these commit messages? Here's some examples of quote-unquote good commit messages. Feel free to wage war about this topic in the comments. You can also link commits to your Kanban or Trello board if you're using one, which can make this process even faster. Okay, so here's some additional tips. If you do want to show some actual real-time development, it's quite easy to just redo or reenact a small part for the video. You can see in my devlog where I'm building the level, I actually do this. Remember, I did absolutely no recording during the game jam. This was all footage I grabbed weeks after the jam ended. Finally, what makes this technique so nice is that you can either only do it or combine it with other ways of recording, like time lapses or little clips while in development. If anything, it's just a nice thing to keep in the back of your mind so you don't have to worry if you're getting enough footage. So thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you and you'd like to see more tutorials like this, consider leaving a like. Also, if videos on the game development process sound interesting to you, or you find yourself coming back to the channel, maybe consider subscribing. I try to share my process and the lessons I learn along the way, so hopefully my mistakes can save you some trouble. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.